Religious tensions are brewing in Abia State as the Christian Association of Nigeria has taken a firm stance against the newly implemented tax policy targeting church signposts. In an official letter dated October 22, 2024, addressed to the state government, Kan leadership expressed deep concerns over what they described as an unprecedented taxation measure. The letter, jointly signed by the state Kan chairman, Reverend Ojo Ndume, and the state secretary, Reverend Dr. Francis E. Okere, highlights that Abia is the only state in Nigeria implementing such a tax on religious institutions. The Christian body emphasized Abia's unique position as a Christian majority state, commonly referred to as God's own state, making the taxation policy particularly contentious. Kan leadership has urged the governor to reconsider this decision, warning that the Christian community could interpret it as an anti-church stance. In their appeal, church leaders have proposed a constructive approach, suggesting a roundtable discussion with state authorities to address a little but delicate issue. The organization has maintained its commitment to supporting the state while seeking resolution, offering continued prayers and support for the administration. Stay informed with news updates at NaijaNews TV.